I want to propose a toast to my crew.
Action!
I'm here with Joe Scabani Jr. and Rick Mondaci Jr. from Falcon Entertainment. Joe, I've been hearing rumors that several principal actors have left your show. Is that true?
Yes, we have two that have left our show, and they went to some sort of jail show. I guess it was a better opportunity.
So we want to wish them good luck.
Yes.
Everything like that. All the best of luck to you. Sorry that, Mafia War Chronicles lost you, but good luck.
Don't let the door hit you on the way out.
Sayonara.
Rick, according to your Facebook fans, they say that Mafia War Chronicles is dead and you've stopped filming. Is that true?
No, it's not true. And I just want to explain a little bit like that. Well, I started a film called Brooklyn Betrayal, and that started in 2016. We just finished it last week. The Brooklyn Betrayal, the rise and fall of Paulie DeMeo, a lot of twists and turns, and it's a great ending. So Mafia War Chronicles is still alive and kicking.
Rick, once again, according to Facebook fans, are you sneaking around filming?
Sneaking. We're not sneaking around filming. What we're doing is we stopped filming Mafia War Chronicles to film Brooklyn Betrayal.
Yeah, that was kind of priority on the plate.
Right. So we're not really sneaking around. We were quiet about it only because Brooklyn Betrayal is
Finished.
Yeah,
It's finished now.
So that's the other reason.
Yeah, we were focused on Brooklyn Betrayal before we actually moved forward with Mafia War Chronicles, but yes, it's still alive.
Now, Joe, what's the future of Falcon Entertainment?
Let's see. The future of Falcon Entertainment. We have a lot of things coming down the road. We have, we're working on a scene tomorrow called
Take That Check.
Take That Check, sorry. Just saw the script the other day. You gotta give me a break.
And sure, I just gave it to him yesterday. It's called Take That Check.
And we're filming that tomorrow.
That's going to star, that's going to be Cameron Russo Jersey comes back.
Right.
Also Bella DiMartini.
Right.
We're going to have the kids back, which is Adriana Mondaci, plays your daughter.
Right.
It's going to be Gia Mondaci, plays Bella's daughter. And we have a new girl that actually joined our cast, and that's Violet Mondaci, and she plays the part of Melissa Vasallo. So Joe, before we get out of here, what time is it on your watch?
It's 11:40 in the evening.
11:40. So this is the fourth time that we filmed something like this. It's 11:40, and by the time we're done filming, it'll be 12 o'clock the next day, and we're 4 for 4.
Yes, I know. I don't know how we keep doing it.
I don't know how
it's
we
so
keep
weird.
doing this.
Messed
So
up.
I just want to tell our audience here,
Yes.
be patient. We will be finishing Mafia War Chronicles by the end of September. With the editing and everything like that, I figure it's going to be sometime either December.
What's this? The
Mafia War Chronicles.
yeah.
It's either going to be done either in December or I've been pushing to January.
Yeah, probably, most likely.
All right.
I'd like to do a shout out to our camera crew.
Absolutely.
Robert Bernanski. I want to thank him and his crew. He's amazing camera team. He's awesome. He's 100% on board with all the projects we're doing, and now he's directing.
Right, he's directing, and a little surprise is he brought his wife in to be assistant director. So I think, Joe, you and I, we kind of got fired. So I think what we're going to do is our new title now, which I guess we gotta get new chairs.
Yeah, right, we do.
The new title is Joe Scabani Jr. is our new executive producer on Mafia War Chronicles, and I'm just going to remain as the writer on Mafia War Chronicles. So now we have the talents of Robert and his wife directing and co-directing, and they're going to be on the set tomorrow when we do Take This Check, and I'm looking forward to working with them again, Joe.
Yeah.
You don't mind being demoted, do you?
I do not.
My friend.
Yes.
That's great. So we just want to say thank you. Thank you for supporting us. And I guess we'll see you in the movies, right?
Yeah.
So,
Thank you so much, Joe and Rick.
Thanks for having us.
Thanks for having us.